I'm going to be pricking out some eggplants and more peppers, because what's 50 more peppers gonna be compared to 250 that I already have? And a great tip is to not start all your seeds at once. Start them a little bit at a time every couple weeks so that you have a continuous harvest throughout the whole entire warm season. If you start everything at once, you're gonna get overwhelmed very quickly and have one giant harvest. But with this method, your harvest just continues on for a long time. And there we have it. I got some of them pricked out and I still have to wait for the rest of them to sprout.